अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम करता हूं जी आपको अपने यूट्यूब चैनल सतिया टेक पर। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम आप लोगों को बताने वाले हैं कि आप लोग ऑनलाइन अर्निंग किस तरह से कर सकते हैं। तो आपने वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक फुल वॉच करना है ताकि जो बातें भी आपको बताई जाएँ वो बातें जो हैं वो आप लोग लर्न कर सको। तो चलें जी, वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे हमने चैट जीपीटी ओपन एआई को जो है यहाँ पे ओपन किया हुआ है और अभी हम यहाँ पे सर्च करने वाले हैं हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन। एंड देन हम इसको सर्च कर देते हैं जी। यहाँ पे लोडिंग वगैरह सर्चिंग वगैरह स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले तमाम नए आने वाले व्यूअर से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें। तो यहाँ पे जो है लोडिंग वगैरह हो रही है सतिया टेक के नाजरीन। तो हम ऊपर से जो है अभी आपको रीडिंग करना बताते हैं। देर आर वेरियस वेज टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन, के ऑनलाइन अर्निंग के मुख्तलिफ मेथड मौजूद हैं। हेयर आर सम पॉपुलर मेथड्स। तो हम आज की इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ पॉपुलर मेथड्स जो हैं वो बताने वाले हैं। Virtual assistant provide administrative or technical assistance to individuals or business remotely. You can offer service like scheduling appointments, managing emails, social media management, or website maintenance. Number two, online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell online courses or ebook. Platforms like Udemy and Techavel allow you to host and sell your courses. Number three, online investment. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments through online trading platform. Keep in mind that investing involves risk, so make sure to do through research and understand the market. Number four, online selling. Create an online store on platform like Shopify, Etsy, or eBay and sell products. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even your own handmade items. Number Number six, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, Commission Junction, or ShareGo. Online surveys and micro tasks. There are websites that pay you to complete online surveys or perform small tasks like data entry, website testing, or transcription. For example, include Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Clickworker. And that the important is content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsored content, or donations. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in any particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Websites like Webkit, tutor.com, and Check Tutors connect students with tutors in various subjects. And this purpose you use for Zoom application is very important and very good service. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancers, or Fiverr. You can find work in areas like writing, graphic designing, programming, marketing, and many more. And you are connect with all over the world freelancers, and you can earn from all over the world currencies. Remember, earning money online often requires time, effort, and dedication. It's important to do through research, develop your skills, and be persistent to achieve success. And then we type in summary freelancing, and then we search. Certainly, freelancing is a popular method to earn money online. Here is a summary of freelancing. तो यहाँ पे हमें इन्होंने बहुत बड़ी समरी दे दी है, हम एंड से पढ़ेंगे. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to client on a project by project basis. It's provide flexibility and allow you to work remotely. Here are the key points. Choose your skills, create a portfolio, join freelancing platform, create a compelling profile, bid on projects, deliver quality work, build a reputation, expand your network, continuously upgrade your skills. Remember, Freelancing requires discipline, time management, and self motivation. It may take time to establish yourself, but this persistence and quality work you can build a successful freelancing career. All new subscribers are requested. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Satya Tech and also press the bell icon. Take care. We meet in next video. Good luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.